Most trading tools show you your results after the fact. What they do not show you is the process that produced those results, the behavior underneath the numbers, or what is building up before a dangerous drawdown happens. Fortiris is different. Fortiris is a risk intelligence layer. It sits on top of your trading activity and turns into something you can actually understand, act on, and show other people. Let me show you how. This is Fortiris app. The main idea is straightforward. Bring your trading history into one place, run it through a structured risk engine, and give you a clear picture of where you are, what is drifting, and what to fix first. The number you see here, the stability score, is not a vanity metric. It is a composite signal built from 4 underlying risk modules that each measure a different dimension of how your account is behaving. I will show you those modules in details when we get to the dashboard. Fortiris connects to the platforms you are already using. There are live connection paths for CTrader, DXTrade, TradeLocker, MatchTrader, Trade-of-8, and NinjaTrade. And if you want to use a manual connection, you can simply import your history using a CSV file, HTML, or Excel file, the standard export formats that brokers and platforms provide. Fortiris is built for 4 different workflows, and each one has its own dashboard experience. Retail traders use it to understand their own behavior and tighten their risk discipline. Signal providers use it to build a structured, verifiable track record that they can share. Educators use it to review student behavior and close the gap between what students know and what they actually do. Let me open the demo page. This is Fortiris demo page. You can watch product walkthroughs here for the retail workflow and the full platform overview. If you want a live session for your specific use case, there is a request form on the contact page. Let me take you through the actual product now. This is the retail trader dashboard. The first thing you see is the stability score, the top level number that summarizes your current account health across 4 different dimensions. Below that, you have the 4 core risk modules: CPI, RDC, DEVI, and LCS. I'll go into each one properly in the retail walkthrough video. Alongside the modules, you have behavior drift detection, which spots overtrading, risk escalation, and session drift before those behaviors turn into a drawdown event, and fast wins, which gives you a ranked improvement actions tied directly to your live trading data. For signal providers, the dashboard is structured around building a verifiable track record. You can show your signal performance, subscriber context, and history in a way that is structured and harder to misrepresent than a screenshot. For educators, the dashboard is built around reviewing student behavior. Instead of telling students to be more disciplined, you can look at their actual activity and show them the specific patterns that need to change. Fortiris also has a desktop app. For traders who want a focused review workflow that does not live inside a browser tab, the desktop app keeps Fortiris available during your trading session without adding to the tab count. And there is a browser extension. The extension brings Fortiris closer to the platforms where you actually trade. Instead of switching contexts, the extension connects the Fortiris review layer to your browser workflow. Fortiris starts with a 7-day trial. You can see the full plan structure on the pricing page. The trial includes full pro access, so you can see the risk modules, the AI coach, and the reporting tools before you make any decisions. The link to get started is in the description. That is the overview. If you want a deeper look at any specific workflow, there is a dedicated walkthrough videos for retail trading, signal providers, educators, and desktop app, and the extension, all linked in the playlist.